highlights of the boat, it's everything. It's everything. It's the crew for a start. It's us, the crew. And what it is, it's well, the space for a 42 meter. She has a hell of a lot of space. Especially on the sundeck, interior, visually outside. We have the balconies, we've got a huge platform on the back. We have a chase boat which comes along with us, 40 foot chase boat, Vanduach, which has also been totally rebuilt. So yeah.
Paloma, she had a complete refit in 2025. So a lot of the interior you see here is actually really, really new. And it tells. It's really beautiful, modern, but also nice geometric shapes. Incredible art. And there's some beautiful pieces on the wall here. If you're interested in booking Paloma, inquire with DMA Yachting now. We'd love to chat to you about this beautiful boat.